Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ has commenced the pilot phase of a direct funds transfer project. It is aimed at improving the process by which customers transfer funds to TAJ's bank accounts for the payment of taxes and fees. Under the new arrangements, all funds transferred to TAJ's accounts must include a direct funds transfer number generated from its website. This will remove the need for a manual direct banking form to be later submitted. TAJ says the change will mitigate the challenges it has been experiencing in identifying and receiving funds under the previous direct banking arrangements. Now, the Jamaica Stock Exchange has launched a private market portal. The new platform is aimed at providing dealers and their qualified clients with more diversified investment opportunities. With more companies turning to the stock market to raise capital, the Jamaica Stock Exchange is placing greater emphasis on efficiency within the securities market. Managing Director Marlene Street Forrest says the newly launched private market portal is a major step in achieving that goal.
As we seek to grow the market and unleash an effective medium for the raising of capital, the regulation of activities, and the efficient transfer of ownership, there are several other areas of growth and expansion for our country and the region. I can tell you that the chairman is very bullish about regional expansion, and we will be getting there.
Between 2017 and 2020, the private assets market doubled, and applications are already coming in for listing on the private market platform.
NCB Capital Markets Limited has in fact received a listing for 2 existing corporate bonds. Now, the listing of these 2 existing corporate bonds will see to a total outstanding value being listed of $7 billion.
In the meantime, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke disclosed new plans for government securities.
The government of Jamaica debt securities will also be traded on a similar platform, which will allow for us to have an observable yield curve, for a transparently observable yield curve for the first time, right? Yes, there's a yield curve. You can go into Bloomberg and you can see what they report people are trading, but there's nowhere for anybody to see, all the trades taken or the majority of the trades taking place. So this one will be a step forward because of its transparency.
The portal also facilitates the listing and trading of private debt and equity issues on the US NASDAQ platform. This will be done under the guidelines of the Financial Services Commission. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $144.02. The Canadian dollar is selling for $113.88. The pound sterling sells for $195.88, while the euro is going for $174.73. The JSE index lost 3,105 points today, and the junior market index is down 8 points. Among the winners were CAC 2000, Radio Jamaica, Elite Diagnostic, JMMB Group 7.5%, and Berger Paints. On the losing side were First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, T-Tech, Cargo Handlers, and SSL Venture Capital. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.